So to do part A, you see how I divide. Okay, I divide this shaded region into, this is called a sector. Okay, you have to remember one of the formula, that area of a sector is equal to, still remember in your additional max, half r square theta, when theta is measured in radian. Am I right? Where r is the radius, okay? And it's made up of 3 triangles, okay? Or up to you how you want to imagine. I will prefer to say it makes up of 3 triangles, and area of a triangle, you can find it in this way. There are 2 ways of finding the area of a triangle. If what I want to be correct, will be 3 ways. If the triangle is on the Cartesian plane, you still remember all that formula? Okay, so area of a triangle is equal to half AB sin C. So how is the situation? This is your A, this is your B, and this is your angle C. So if you want to find the area of this triangle, that is how you do it. Just apply into this formula. Are you clear? Okay. And if you look at this diagram, this angle is pi minus theta. Am I right? So this triangle and this triangle are the same. And this one, the angle is theta. Are you okay? Okay. So another concept that you have to know, sin pi minus theta is the same as sin theta. Do you know that? So you want to do trigo, correct? There's a lot of things you have to know. Got it? So you must have all this in mind. If not, when you find this correct, it's very troublesome. So in the exam, we try not to come up with questions like that. If we come up with questions like that, we always will provide you with formula. So this will be fair for those who didn't learn additional maths. Are you clear? Okay, good. So next. So now you should be able to get the formula. So the area will be area of the sector right, plus 2 times the area of this triangle, half A, B, sin pi minus theta, close. Correct? Plus another one. Why I put 2? Because there are 2 here. And plus half A, B, sin theta. Correct? So the whole thing will be 100 divided by 2 is 50. 50 theta plus 2 of this plus 1 of this, because sin pi minus theta is the same as sin theta. Altogether, there are 3 of that. So this is 50 sin theta. That's all. You got the answer. Are you okay? Can or not? So these are the formula you better write down in your notes. Cos pi minus theta equal to negative cos theta, correct? So all these are the things that you learn in high school. So you cannot say you didn't learn. Those learn max, you also learn this, correct? Whether you take MX or didn't take MX, everyone learn this. Can or not? Okay, so I continue with part B. So a lot of things to do. Okay, so I continue with part B. So part B, you are given area equal to 50 theta plus 3 sin theta. Okay, so dA over d theta. I write 50 there. The rate of change of theta is 1. Correct? Plus 3. The rate of change of sin is cos. The rate of change of theta is 1. Close. So this one equal to 0 for maximum or minimum to happen. All right. So I have 50, 1 plus cos 3 cos theta equal to 0. 50 cannot be 0. 1 plus 3 cos theta equal to 0. So how to solve this? 3 cos theta equal to negative 1. Cos theta equal to negative 1/3. Okay, what are the possible value for theta based on the diagram? What is the domain for the function? So when you write the function, if I give you the function, I can ask you for domain. So what is the domain for this function? Theta between smallest value of theta is 0. Highest value of theta is, when theta is 0, is a straight line like that. When theta is equal to, what is the highest value for theta? It can go right up to here, right? It's also another straight line that is pi. Am I right? Hello, are you clear? The sector, it can go like that. It can turn like this. Am I right? So your theta is, or 2 pi, or 2 pi. Which one do you think? Pi or 2 pi? Anyone got the answer from the textbook? Pi or 2 pi? Because that will determine which answer we are supposed to take. Do you think pi or 2 pi? Your theta start from here, you go like that. So this is theta. So if you go one round, theta will be 2 pi. Am I right? Hello? Or pi? Yes. Those at the back. What do you think? What do you think the domain? Theta is 0 to pi or 2 pi? It can go one round, correct? It can go one round, so it's 2 pi. The theta can go like that until here. Yeah, it's 2 pi. Okay. So how am I going to solve it? If you go to the calculator, you put theta equal to cos inverse 1/3, negative 1/3. What does the calculator give you? Can someone use the calculator and give me the answer? Or those online? I asked those online. Xinyi.
Yes,
What is cos inverse negative 1/3? What the question give?
wait,
What the calculator give you? You wait. I thought your calculator supposed to be beside you already. Second cos negative 1 divided.
1.91.
Okay, 1.91. They only give you one answer, correct? Yeah, 1.91. So how am I going to get another answer? Huh? Go to the quadrant. So go back to the quadrant, right? Go back to the quadrant there. Yeah. Can or not? Okay. May I know what is the answer from the textbook? I want to make sure the domain is correct. So dA over d theta, the sign diagram. So 1.91. Okay, let me use this one and cos 1 divided by 3. 1.23. Acute angle cos inverse 1/3 is 1.23. So my theta should be in second quadrant. That is pi minus 1.23. So that's why I get shift pi minus 1.23. So I get 1.91. Okay, then theta in second quadrant is pi plus 1.23. So I get 4.371. Okay, correct? So I got two answers here. 1.91 and 4.371. Right? Then you have to determine the sign. So this one always go back to your calculator. Can you please go back to your calculator? This is positive, right? Then between here, I put 1 plus cos, 1 plus 3 cos. I hope you all are doing it. 3 cos 3. I got negative. Then the other one, 2 pi is, I go 5. I change to 5. And I got positive, right? So you want maximum, correct? So maximum happen here. This one is minimum, right? So maximum happen when theta equal to 1.91. Are you clear? Okay, find theta such that the area of A is a maximum and find the area A in this case. So therefore, the area A is equal, maximum area is equal to 50. Your theta is 1.91 plus 3 cos, 3 sin 1.91. So you get the answer. Are you clear? Okay. So a lot of work to do. Trigo is like that, no choice. Okay. So question 8 and 9. You try it by yourself. Can or not? If cannot, then next week I will discuss with you. Okay, now I want you to go to review set. Question 8 and 9, you have to try it by yourself. Huh? Okay, so everyone now go to review 3A. Review 3A, please. Okay, review 3A, you are supposed to try question on trigo. There is question 10. And that's all, question 10 only. Yep. And question 15. Okay, so you try question 10. Then you go back and try question 15. Huh? So try question 10 now. No, I think we shouldn't try question 10 because question 10 is the one that we have tried before, correct? Yeah, kinematic, we have tried question some sort like that before. So can we go to question 15? Question 15 on page . Ian Ayman, review set 3A question 15 is on which page?
94.
Yeah, 94. Okay, please take some time to try. So I will draw out the diagram, then we will discuss. You read the question first. Trigo question always deal with geometrical shape, okay? You can't run away. Okay, this is an isosceles triangle. Oh no, sorry. Okay, in this question, PA plus PB plus PC is equal to L. So for part A, you draw the situation. That is, it becomes like that. Here is A. Where the power station is at M. So this is PM. Is P is also M, okay? And this is B. So your C will be here. So this will be 1, 1, and here is 3. Right? What length would be required if the power unit P is placed at M? You get me? So you need 5 kilometer. Am I right? So that is a situation for part A, part 1. So the length will be equal to 1 plus 1 plus 3. That is 5 kilometer. Are you okay? Then for part 2, the situation will be like that. So this will be the length. Here is C, here is also P. And here is your M, here is your A, and here is your B. Right? So here is 1, 1. So if here is 3, how are you going to find P? AP, you use Pythagoras theorem. So AP is equal to square root of 1 square plus 3 square. So it's square root of 10. So therefore, the total length of the wire will be 1 plus 1. Do I need to put 1 plus 1? No. Sorry, I'm wrong. Yeah, for this case is correct. So I have to join P to A, P to B, and PC is 0. Okay, so this is not included. Hello? So it will be PA plus PB plus PC. So PA is square root of 10, PB also is square root of 10, and PC is 0. So you got 2 root 10. Got it? So that is the situation for part A. So for part B, then you have to use your trigo ratio. You have to use your trigo ratio. Okay? So for part B, you have to use your trigo ratio. That is, for this part, AP. Yeah, we'll do part by part. This is a right angle. This is theta. This is 1. So you want to know AP, correct? Which trigo ratio you must use? Sin or cos, you know opposite. So you say sin theta is equal to AP divided by 1. 1 divided by AP, what am I talking about? Opposite over hypotenuse. Correct? Okay. So therefore, your AP will be equal to 1 over sin theta. Yep. Got it? So you have to use your trigo ratio. So AP is equal to BP. So BP also is 1 over sin theta. So after we have done that, we want to know PC, correct? So this is your M. And this is the C. Okay, we want to know PC. So in order to know PC is 3 minus MP. Am I right? So I have to now find MP by using this triangle. I know this is 1 and this is my adjacent. Opposite is 1, adjacent is the one that you want to find. Okay, so you use tangent. Tangent theta is equal to 1 divided by MP. Am I right? So therefore, MP is equal to 1 divided by tangent theta. And we know that tangent theta is sin theta over cos theta. Am I right? So when you invert, MP is cos theta divided by sin theta. Okay? So therefore, the total length will be 2 times of this plus 3 minus MP. Okay? 3 minus MP. So you will have 3 plus, since both at the bottom is sin theta, so I can combine 2 minus cos theta over sin theta. Got it? Hello? Can or not? So you have to go back to all your trigo ratio. That's why you pray hard that for your SAT 4, correct? Means no, don't come up with geometrical shape. Will I come up with geometrical shape? No one knows. We wait and see. So a lot of things you have to do. Trigo is definitely not an easy task. Geometrical shape, how to manipulate, how to calculate the length, trigo ratio, Pythagoras theorem, finding area, all these are involved. Okay? So now, if you want to differentiate this, you are going to use quotient rule. You are going to use quotient rule to get that, right? So can you please try to do part C by yourself? That means you are going to differentiate this L theta. Try to use quotient rule and get the answer. Please do, I will go around and check. It's wrong expression. 3. That's why they don't want to combine the 3. You see or not? 3 plus 2 minus cos theta over sin theta. So this is your U, this is your V. Okay, use the quotient rule and get the answer. I will go around and check. Those online, please do. Okay. So L prime theta, rate of change of 3 is 0 plus, okay, V U prime. Okay, I better write down properly. Okay, take away U V prime. The whole thing divide by V squared. Okay, cannot? If you don't want, you write like that. It's okay, so that you are comfortable. Okay, so then you equal to okay. Now you have to be very careful. Negative times negative, you get positive. So the front here is sin squared. Right? Then this one, when you expand, take note, you go like that. The first one. So it will be negative 2 cos theta. The second one will be here, multiply, and here. Okay, so will be plus cos square theta divided by sin theta. Okay, if you don't know what is it all about, correct? You do until this stage, correct? You have shown already. Understood sin square plus cos square is 1. Are you clear? If you cannot remember sin square plus cos square is 1, the question give you already. So you just write down equal to 1 minus 2 cos theta over sin theta. Okay, so you see, if I ask you to show, correct, I give you, for example, 3 marks. I will give you 2 marks here, and I expect you to write this one. Do you get me? I expect you to write that one. If you straight away from here write the answer, correct, you will miss out 1 mark. You get me? So this step is an important step that you must write. You don't have to tell me sin square plus cos square equal to 1, but you have to expand it until I can see sin square plus cos square. Do you get me? If you just leave it at this stage and you say shown, you write this one, shown, you won't get, you will miss 1 mark. Are you okay? So the way you present your answer is very important. If you don't have time in the exam, if you don't have time to simplify this, correct, just leave it. Not worth that 1 mark. For example, I need to spend about 3 or 4 minutes to solve that 1 mark, correct? I will let go. So during exam, correct, when there is a time constraint, there's a limit of time. So what you need to do, you have to know which part, which mark you want to forgo. You make sure you capture all the mark that you can get it quickly. Then after that, you got time, you relax already, then come back to this one. Are you clear? That is what happened. Okay,